Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to use voice typing on Mac. So voice typing lets you enter text by speaking instead of typing. This can be useful when you are writing long messages, notes or even emails. Whenever you want to keep your hands free, you can use voice typing. So before using it, make sure dictation is enabled on your Mac, and to check, click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to keyboard, and now here in dictation option, make sure to enable this toggle, and as soon as you enable this, a pop-up will appear where you need to choose enable. Once you have enabled this feature, you can start using voice typing. Here's how to use it. Open any app where you want to type, such as notes, page or message. Now press the dictation shortcut key. So to check what you have set the dictation shortcut, scroll a bit on the settings right side pane, and here you can see right to shortcut. You can change the shortcut by clicking on the drop down menu. So here press the shortcut key to start dictation. Now here when the dictation microphone appears, start speaking clearly. Your words will begin appearing as text on the screen. When you are finished, stop dictation using the same shortcut, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.